Hello everyone, welcome to External Star Channel. My name is Marek, as you already know, and today I will be unboxing and reviewing this LCD 1:18 scale Range Rover. Yes, you are right, it's not a black one, this time it's a white one, which you can also see here. There is a dot indicating the color. And maybe now you are wondering why I decided to buy a white one. The reason is simple. For SUVs, I wanted to see the details, and if you have a black car, then the panel gaps are not that visible, but if you have a white one, then you can clearly see all the details, all the gaps. So today I wanted to really see everything. Yeah? So let me start with the process, and first take it out of the box. The box looks like this. Yeah, it's actually a nice styrofoam box. Okay, so this is the car finally out. It's so nice, it's brand new. Let me just show you this beautiful car and how it looks like. It's really brilliant. Yeah, look at it. And I mean, I'm already really positively surprised because there are not really any gaps, and it looks like it's flawless. Okay, so maybe let me also take this camera here a bit and show you already, for example, this hood here. Here, this Range Rover logo, this looks quite fancy. Also the grille, I think the grille is quite perforated. The headlights, they look amazing. Also here on this license plate you see Range Rover. I can show it to you on this camera, yeah, so that you have a clear understanding how this front part looks like. And we have also multiple materials, like for example here on this part you have slightly different material. It's all metal die-cast, so it's quite heavy. And yeah, I also like this roof, yeah, where you have a glass on the whole roof. And of course in the back you also have quite nice headlights, or sorry, tail lights, and they look quite amazing. All the details, I already love it. What about the wheels? Yeah, so the wheels are also, I mean, they are very beautifully done. You can see the brake disc, the brake caliper, and the brake caliper is red. It says Brembo, and the favorite brand for brake calipers. And I think now only time to also investigate a little bit inside what it looks like when you open it. So let's maybe start with the engine, and I'm quite curious. So here, wow, the hinges. I'm surprised. There are nice hinges, like two parts on each side. It looks very detailed, and I must say it operates very well. And let me do some tests here. Up and down, it operates very well. It stays in the position where you actually put it. So even in the middle or like this, it stays, and this is what counts, people. It stays. But then inside you have few details. Also, they used colors, they used little stickers, like here the yellow stickers. I like it. For this engine, yeah, maybe 7 points out of 10. Not really bad, I would say very nice. But let me also show you here in the back this mechanism, how it works. And maybe now I can open it, just my fingers. So it has two parts actually. First you open this, and then you open that. Wow. There's also this cover which you can't really operate, but here, oh, this is interesting. It's some kind of carpeting, a little bit, you know, it's something already on this here, and then of course carpeting inside. It looks all very fancy. I like it. Yeah, all the details. Also here, look at this small logo, like this button to close the door. It's beautiful, beautifully done. Okay, and now let me also open the doors for you. Oh, oh, I should have used this door opening tool. I don't have it at the moment. That's why. Okay, so actually there is no frame for the doors. So the door panels, it's only here, it's metal here, but then it's plastic here. But the frame, this is done only like by coloring it, and the door handle, it looks like it's a plastic piece put there and sprayed over with this white color. Yeah, but anyway, I think now the interior, just have a look yourself how beautiful it is. And I think it deserves all the praise, you know, for this interior, how it's done. I mean, especially here the steering wheel and the details there. Let me just use the camera like this. Maybe, yeah, even GoPro cannot really go fully inside, but here at least you can see the screens, also the sewing on those seats, and what else? Yeah, here through the glass, maybe also in the front. And let me also put the camera inside. Oh, it's not really, nothing is really visible there. Yeah, I can have this camera loaded. Okay, so one more time here. Oh, look at this, look at this. I can actually do this. This is quite interesting. I can unfold the middle seat in the second row. What else can I do here? Oh, look at this. I think you need to see this maybe from this camera. Look at this. Like here, you can shift up those pieces. It's the armrest which you can actually also put up or down. I haven't seen this in many cars, so it's again something very special only about this one. It's a lovely car, isn't it? Yeah, so I love it already so much. I think I will keep this in my collection even if this is a white one, because you can see so many details. Like for example here, this SV logo here. Nice, yeah, this is a nice detail. Or the seat belts, also quite beautiful. So this car basically is one of my favorites already, and I mean, I already reviewed this one in the past, and it was a black one, not by LCD, it was GT Autos. Alright, so where to start? Let's see first the front of the car, and I will describe here all the details and how I like it or how I don't like it. So here obviously the Range Rover, and here I did one big mistake because I removed a transparent tape which was over those letters, and maybe you can see that there is still a little bit of glue. We have all the controls here on the seat, and what I really like that they paid a lot of attention, so it's not just one color, it's nicely done, and yeah, it's very beautiful. What I'm always also checking is the suspension, so let me do that also here. So first the rear wheels, wow, it's like 5 millimeters, and the front. But I think this one is much better. This one is really much better than GT Autos. And look at that, I also discovered here you can open here this cap, but for that I would already need some door opening tool, and maybe there was one in the box. Let me check. It looks like a toothpick, but it's actually a door opening tool. So now I will be very careful and try to open it. And yes, wow, look at that. You can really open it. This is another extra feature on this Range Rover. I love it. It's this SV Autobiography, and you can also see it here. There's a sign, Autobiography. That's a special trim, the most luxurious trim of this Range Rover. So now let me gently close it. Also here, the hinges, look at that. I mean, here it's really beautifully done. There is a small, very tiny screw and this hinge. Okay, so let me close it. Also here, all the doors. And I mean, now if you have this door opening tool, let me just demonstrate very quickly how much easier it is. So yeah, you can just use it here and open it. It's very easy, and you don't scratch anything. So it's this plastic one, and some people also use it here for the door handle. I don't know if I would recommend to open it with this door handle, because you can easily maybe destroy it. Yeah, my recommendation would be really to always stick it here in between to the gap, and maybe that's a better way. I don't know, what is your preference, to open it like here with a handle, with a door handle, or do you stick the door opening tool in between to the gap and then open it? What is better? I don't know. It's up to you, all the collectors. And now also, very final thing, I want to compare it to my Mercedes-Benz GLS. And by the way, you can also fold the mirrors. Look at that. You cannot do this on this Mercedes-Benz, but here, obviously, it is possible. Because everything is possible with this model, like, of course, turning the wheels, of course, spinning the wheels, but most importantly, it's a beautiful one. As you know, I always do this because this is one of my favorites, and it's also maybe one of the biggest cars in my collection. And I am wondering, wow, incredible. Look, I will show you from the top that this one is really longer, so much longer. Wow, so this GLS is actually a much bigger car. I would not expect it, but it's so. Okay, but they all look beautiful. I personally think that this LCD Range Rover is a bit better model. Yeah, it's done slightly better in compared to this one. They are both fine, but here this one maybe they paid a little bit more attention to detail. There is no glue anywhere visible. Yeah, so on the other hand, on this one, sometimes you see particles of glue somewhere, and it's not that perfect. Yeah. Also here, this is broken. I still need to fix it. Good. So it was just for you to really see them side by side, and also maybe compare here in the back. How do you like them? Yes or no? Now, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because there will be more videos, and also let me know in the comments if you like this one, also in the white color, and in general if you like LCD models, because I just discovered a brand that is really good. I already have this Pagani, was it Huyara Roadster, and now I have this Range Rover, and maybe I will also buy this Land Rover Velar, and let's see how it will all go. So now, very last look, have a look at those beautiful cars. Now I will also make some photo shoot, and I think that's it for today. So now only time for the final rating. So I will now rate this one, this beautiful new Range Rover 1-18 by LCD. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.